welcome to another episode of Student Meals. So, I forgot to tape our intro, so right now I'm in Amsterdam for work and I'm just going to film my intro in my bathroom because this has the best lighting. So, welcome again to another episode of Student Meals. Today we're going to make a vegetable soup. I hope you enjoy this episode. The ingredients are 3 carrots which I've cut up into pieces, 1 zucchini also chopped, 250 grams of little tiny small mushrooms which I've cut up into halves, 1 leek which I've roughly chopped up and I washed and rinsed very thoroughly, 300 grams of frozen garden peas, 250 grams of pasta, preferably a small kind of pasta, 2 onions also chopped, 2 spring onions chopped, 2 cloves of garlic pressed, 4 cubes of vegetable stock, and finally pepper and salt. Let's do that. Take a large pot and put it on a fire. Add some olive oil and let it get hot. Once the oil is hot, add the carrots, the mushrooms, the zucchini, and also the leek. Now give it a very good stir. And let this fry for a few minutes. Alright, so the veggies are starting to become a bit soft. So now I'm going to add the onion and the peas. And give it another very good stir. Now add the garlic. And we're just going to let this fry for about 30 seconds. So I've dissolved the vegetable cubes in about 2 liters water. And now it's time to add it. Give it a good stir and bring everything to a boil. Alright, our soup is boiling, so now I'm going to add the pasta. So I'm going to let it simmer for about 9 minutes until my pasta is done. Alright, so I've tasted it and the pasta is done. All that's left to do is to season it with some pepper and salt. So I already gave it a little taste and I find that the vegetable stock itself is quite salty. So I'm going to be careful with the amount of salt that I'm adding. You can always add more salt in your own plate. This is done. Turn off the fire and right now you can either mix it with a stick mixer or you can serve it like this, which is what we are going to do. And there we go, our soup is done. All that's left to do now is to finish it off with a little sprinkle of spring onion. Sprinkle, sprinkle. There we go. Time for a test. Soups are just always so nice and comforting. I love the feeling they give me. I really like this because it's so flavorful. You get all the different veggies and every bite is like a bit different. So it's always a bit of a surprise bite. But it's just a very delicious and very nice vegetable soup. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this episode or this recipe, feel free to give us a thumbs up. Or if you just like us and what we do, feel free to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell. So thanks again for watching and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!